Hello guys, good day. Happy Independence Day sa lahat ng taga-Pilipinas. Sa video ito, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-apply sa YouTube Partner Program ng YouTube. Okay, punta tayo sa ating dashboard at i-click ang Apply. Okay, click ang Start. Okay, ganito guys ang mga terms nila. So make sure guys na babasahin nyo lahat ng sulat dito sa kanilang base terms. So make sure nare-review mo lahat. Okay, dahil eligible na tayo guys mag-apply sa program ng YouTube. So kaya na-open na ang kanilang apply button. Okay, kasi may mga may mga requirements na need i-meet, okay, before tayo makapag-apply sa kanilang program. Okay, accept the base terms. Okay, pang-check lang natin lahat guys. Okay, hintayin na natin na matapos yung loading. Okay, so tapos na guys. Proceed tayo sa ikalawa. So sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So start. Okay, kasi guys, nang hindi ko alam kung mayroon akong account, so I click I don't know. If you don't have an account yet, okay, so just click I don't know. Okay, piliin na natin guys ang ating email address na ginagamit sa ating YouTube account. Okay, and then ganito guys, may mga need na i-fill up na mga choices dito. Okay, kasi nandito tayo sa Pilipinas, click syempre ang Philippines. Kasi guys, may mga countries na I think not eligible for this program. I have read and accept the agreement. So make sure guys, ang mga terms and conditions na babasa mo lahat. Okay? Okay, just check the box. Okay, may mga personal information guys na need nyo i-fill up dito sa Google AdSense. Kaya ng inyong name, address, and the contact number. Okay, so just fill up the needed info guys. Okay, blur na natin guys kasi sensitive yung mga data dito. Of course, alam mo naman or malalaman mo naman pag ikaw na yung nasa application na yun. Okay, submit na natin guys, okay, once you already fill out the needed info. Okay, so sabi nila, we're reviewing your info. So, hintayin nyo lang guys, na marireview ni YouTube yung inyong application. And after that guys, syempre, once your request is successful, YouTube will email their approval, sa inyong email address. Okay, so after my application guys, nandito talaga yung mga lumalabas. So just ignore this. And guys, once approved na kayo, and boom! So ganito yung lalabas sa inyong dashboard and sa email address nyo guys. Okay, ganito yung makikita nyo once approved na kayo sa YouTube Partner Program ni YouTube. Okay, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Okay, RJB TV, congrats. Okay, congratulations. So, yung mga link guys, i-click nyo lang once to set up yung account ninyo dito. Okay, so ganito guys, So, may mga membership, okay, YouTube Shopping, Super Funds. So, anyway guys, it is only one of the monetization program ni YouTube, But may isa pa yung ating kinakailangan, yung monetization sa ating mga views and yung ads, no, sa ating YouTube, kung paano natin ma-convert into cash. Okay, kasi yung eligibility natin guys could only for this, no, mga gifts, okay, mga fans na pwede natin ma-monetize, mga super thanks. Okay, unlike the other one, no, ang ating need na i-comply is yung 10 million short views or the 4,000 watch hours. Okay? Okay. So, yun. Okay? Thank you for watching guys. I hope na lahat ng mga nag-apply ng YouTube ay maging successful. Okay, thank you guys.